Welcome to Crafting Legacy episode 6. This week has been a lot of fun, lots of creativity and a bit of chaos with back-to-back shoots. So now I'm about to show my first video of one of our biggest projects by far. Can't wait to see their reaction. By the time you see this vlog episode, it's probably up, so we'll link it right up here for you to go check it out. If you don't see a link there, it's because it's so bad that we don't want to show anyone.
One of the best sandwiches in the city. Hey, how are you? Onions, peppers.
This wasn't in the clip before, so.
The Italian way is a great way.
I think, yeah, like maybe up to this point, it's kind of been engaging, and now us just sitting around the table talking for another 20 minutes, I think it'll be long.
There was no like structure to this. We were just like, oh, we're just like gonna wing it. But the thing is, like,
On Tuesday, I have my first lifestyle shoot since I joined Monte & Co.
All right, we're packing up for, let me start again. Action. We're packing up for a lifestyle shoot, and we have a testimonial slash FAQ slash different kind of shoot on Thursday. We're gonna try to cram in a lot, so we have a bunch of items to pack up.
Should I just bring mine so that we don't have to take from the inventory?
Is it in good condition?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
So they might have another Ron in the system. I'm sorry to hear that, but it's definitely a wrong person. I've never worked in electronics in my life, so.
this guy's got a side hustle we don't know about.
I think maybe we just bring this thing. It's full of products. It's full of samples already packed. Let's use that. I just want to make sure Ron's not mad or shipping that in each bag or spread across both.
Spread across both. So you need to open up both and see what's in there, but our entire line are in those boxes and they're already stuffed and packed and everything.
Just call me Santa. Ho ho ho.
And we started at a beautiful Buca restaurant in Yorkville. Huge shout out to Jessica for making this happen. The shoot went smoothly. We captured everything that we needed, from stunning images and cinematic videos. After finishing with the restaurant, we head outside to do some exterior shots.
We're shooting at Buca today, our lifestyle shoot for our new 16-inch laptop folio, and now we're outside at the Four Seasons. Let's see what we're doing here. And the man's shooting inside the car. Ramon's Phil shooting
On Wednesday, we switched things up a little bit and we headed to a rental studio for a client testimonial shoot and some other video content that we need. We started up by setting up the space to look visually stunning for the background.
I feel like as a guest, like if I was talking to the camera right now, I would feel a bit awkward because I'm like very leaned back.
Yeah, I think they need to sit.
And I feel like if I was to actually do this, I would want to sit like this, like I'm engaged.
Yeah, exactly. Once the first client arrived, we started rolling. The week wrapped up with a busy Friday. I'm editing all the footage that we shot. Stay tuned for more things like this as we have more interesting projects coming up. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe our channel for more things like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!